In today's video, I'll teach you how to ship from Tokopedia to Singapore. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in tokopedia.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Tokopedia. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to ship to Singapore, unfortunately, you'll not be able to do it directly from the Tokopedia. For that, you'll have to use the third-party parcel forwarder. So what you have to do is simply contact the parcel services like Buy and Ship, Come and Buy, etc. You'll be able to receive a local Indonesian warehouse address from them. You might also be asked to sign up for their service. Go ahead and do it. Now after you do that in the Tokopedia, what you have to do is simply buy the product that you would like to ship to Singapore. Simply click on the product that you would like to ship. Now you'll be able to see the details over here. Select the quantity and click on this option add to cart. Now the product will be added to the cart. What you have to do is click on this option in order to view the cart. Now simply follow the process that you usually do in order to check out the items. What you have to do is click on this option buy and you'll be led to the checkout interface. In the checkout interface, enter the Indonesian warehouse address provided by your forwarder as the shipping address. Now after that, simply pay for the items. You can use a supported international credit card, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, etc. for payment. Now you'll have to declare the shipment. After you receive the tracking information from the Tokopedia seller, you'll have to declare the parcel in your forwarder's member portal. Now you'll be able to ship to the Singapore. All you have to do is pay the shipping fee to the forwarder and they will manage custom clearance and last mile delivery to your Singapore address. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you ship from Tokopedia to Singapore. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.